Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. We will go over Chapter 3B Practice Test. As usual, make sure you take note and you're allowed to make a flashcard to use on your test. Number 1, using the number between 1 to 10, write the number in the spaces that create the system of linear equation has no solution. So I make a few typo on number 1 because I didn't actually read the whole problem. I just kind of create the problem similar to your test without looking at what I'm typing down. So I'm sorry for that one. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead, change all your positive sign to negative sign. Okay. And the number on your test, it should be 1 to 10. You will get that problem done just fine. But for my practice test, I didn't pay attention on the 1 to 10. I just focus on the technicality, what I want you to know, without looking at the instruction. So here's how we're going to do this. To set the system of linear equation, to make a system linear equation has no solution. First of all, we need to cancel out the x. We're going to look at the first problem. It's 7x. So you have to put 7x in the box so that later on 7x cancel each other out. And you want no solution, so your final answer have to be a false statement. So if the first equation you have -1, then the second equation cannot be -1. It can be any number but not -1. This can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but cannot be -1. So here's how we check the answer. We're going to take y equal to 7x minus 1. Plug it into y equal to 7x minus 2, which we pick. The first number is 7 and second number is 2. I'm going to rewrite this. 7x minus 1 equal to 7x minus 2. So to solve for this equation, we're going to do is subtract 7x on both sides. The reason we subtract 7x because we want x on the same side, and 7x itself is positive. So to move it over, you're going to subtract 7x on both sides. So 7x cancel out with 7x. This cancel out with that. That is the goal. We pick 7 for the first number so that all x's cancel each other out. So leave us with -1 equal to -2. And this is a false statement because -1 is not equal to -2. That is the reason why we pick 2 but not 1. If you put 1 in that place, you will have true statement is many solution, and we don't want that. They ask you for no solution. So false statement, no solution. Alright, part B is almost similar like part A. The difference is they have parentheses. So parentheses stand for multiplying. So we're going to do is distribute 5 into parentheses. So you will have 15x minus 10. So now the same idea like part A. The first number has to be 15 so that all x's cancel each other out. And the second number can be any number but not 10. I can pick, let's say 5 if I want to choose 5. Okay, check the answer. We're going to take this, plug it in place of y. So that will be 15x minus 10 equal to 15x minus 5. Okay, so 15 itself is positive. We're going to do is subtract 15 on both sides. One more time, we subtract 15 on both sides to bring x on the same size. And by doing that, 15x take away 15x, cancel each other out, leave you with -10 equal to -5. And this is a false statement. And this will be no solution. Okay, and that's what is our goal for it. Set the equation. Choose a number for the equation so that is no solution. Okay, part C. You should pause the video and try part C before I give you the answer for part C. So kind of you have a practice and try it by yourself before you check the answer. Okay, part C, we're gonna do is distribute 3 into parentheses. That will give you 6x minus 3. Down here, to cancel the x, you're gonna choose 6 for the first box and any number but not 3 on the second box. I will put 1. So we take this, plug it into the y. 6x minus 3 equal to 6x minus 1. 6 itself is positive, so we minus 6x on both sides. 6x will cancel each other out. Leave you with negative 3 equal to negative 1. Sorry, negative 1. And that is a false statement. And this will make no solution. Alright, if you was busy, copy down everything, so please rewatch this one. Make sure you understand why we picked the first number, the reason why we picked the first number and the reason why we picked the second number. That's pretty much for number 1.